Hari Om, I'm Lavanya Rajesh, yoga expert and naturopath. Today, let's see how we can do the practices of breathing exercises post COVID. These breathing practices will be helpful in post COVID recovery. So, let's see how we can do that. And first, you need to sit in Sukhasana. Sukhasana is normal sitting position, and you will keep your hands in Drona Mudra on your knees. This is called as Drona Mudra. Keep it on your knees. Now you can do this posture sitting on the floor or on the bed or on the couch, wherever you feel absolutely comfortable. Now let's see how to do. First, keep your eyes closed. Keep your back straight. Your spine should be straight, posture straight, shoulders and your elbows should be relaxed. Keep your eyes closed. Your facial muscles relaxed. Now just focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath, inhale. Exhale. Synchronize your breathing with your abdominal movements. Inhale, bring your abdomen out, and exhale, take your abdomen in. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This is for calming down your mind before starting with the practice. Now let's do deep breathing. Deep breathing in the sense you need to keep your palms on your knees again. When you inhale, you lift your chest up, drop your head back completely. So keep your hands on your knees. Inhale, lift your chest up slowly, drop your head back completely. While you exhale, bring your hands forward, take your body back and your head down. Contract your body. So inhale, stretch your body up. Exhale, you contract your body down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Do this practice for 10 times, 10 to 15 counts, or as 10 counts for 2 repetitions in 2 sets initially. And then after this, we will see the other practice. In this, just stretch your hands from side, lift your hands up, lock your fingers, interlock them, and then reverse your palms towards the ceiling. Now stretch your hands, keep your elbows straight and stretch your hands up as much up as you can. In this, you should feel the vertical stretch in your body. So stretch your hands up, lock your fingers and stretch them up. Stretch up, up and hold the posture for 10 counts. This gives a good stretch at your lung cavity. So hold it for 10 counts. After 10 counts, stretch your fingers completely, your hands completely, and then bring it down. This is the second practice you can do for giving a good stretch to your entire lung cavity and your core body. Now the next breathing practice is, again, you stretch your hands up, lift your hands up, interlock your fingers, reverse them. Now do side stretching. 1, keeping your hands over your ear. 2, your arm should come over your ear. While doing the practice, try not to lift your legs, only your upper body should move. 3, 4. So repeat the practice again for 10 counts and then stretch your hands and bring your hands down. Now let's see other breathing practice. This breathing practice, you need to keep your hands beside your body and then take your hands up while you inhale. Your palm should be lifted up when you inhale and your palm should come towards the floor when you exhale. This is the basic. There are 3 variations in this. So the first variation, you will stretch your hands up. You lift your hands up while you inhale, and while you exhale, you will bring your palms down facing the floor. During this practice, in the initial stages, you practice doing your breath. You're taking your inhalations and your exhalations with your nose. Later on, once you feel you are relaxed, you are stable, you have sufficient energy, then try doing these practices in this way. Inhalation with your nose and exhaling with your mouth slowly. So this goes like this. Inhale, you will lift your hands up. While you exhale, you use your mouth. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Repeat this for 10 counts. Now the second variation in the same breathing practice is you stretch your arms completely wide when you inhale. So keeping your hands in the forward and stretching your arms completely wide when you inhale, and exhaling you will bring your hands forward. Again using the same formula, initially do it with your nose, inhalation and exhalation. Once you become stable, you practice it, inhalation with your nose and exhalation using your mouth. So this goes like this, keeping your hands forward. Inhale, stretch your arms open wide. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Now the third variation. You need to keep your hands beside your body. While inhaling, you take your hands up, bend little back, and while exhaling, bring your hands down and bend your head down as much possible as you can. Inhale, you lift your hands up. Exhale, you will bring your hands down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Repeat 10 inhalations, 10 breaths during this practice, and then you're good. So these are the practices which anyone can follow in sitting at your home. You can do these practices in the morning and in the evening, and not immediately after having food. Only these are the restrictions that you need to follow. Don't do it immediately after having food. If you do it on empty stomach or on a light stomach, it will be very good. And these practices will improve your lung capacity. And these practices are very helpful for post-COVID recovery. Thank you. Hari Om.